Hello students, today we are going to start an important topic of email. You can see in the last class we have studied about the internet, how many the things are required for an internet connection that we have also done. So in this video we are going to learn what is an email and how we can mail to someone, to a friend. So let's start. Email stands for electronic mail. Email are used to send and receive text messages and documents instantly. It is one of the quickest and cheapest medium to communicate people living in distant places. Email stands for electronic mail. Electronic mail is the full form of email. Email are used to send and receive. We can send also and receive the text messages and documents instantly, means at the same time. It is one of the quickest and cheapest, so there is no cost applied to do an email, so it is the cheapest and quickest. We can send letters, pictures, audios, videos, presentation etc. in an email. हम email में letters भी भेज सकते हैं. We can send images, pictures also. We can send audios, videos and presentation also. So how can we sign in to Gmail account? First of all, we should learn how to open the Google Mail and how to sign in into the Gmail account. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open web browser, say Google Chrome, or you can use Mozilla Firefox also. Type www.gmail.com in the address bar and then press enter. After that, you have to sign in into the Google account. The sign in page will appear. Enter your email address or it will ask for your phone number and then click on next or press enter. Then you have to enter password. इसके बाद आपको password enter करना है. If the enter password matches, अगर आपका password सही है, then our Gmail account screen appears. उसी वक्त हमारा Gmail account खुल जाएगा. So now I'm going to sign in into my Gmail account. You can see it carefully. I have written in the URL bar. So I have written this, and now the screen appears where it will ask for the username or it will ask for the phone number. You can see here. Now I am entering my phone number. Then you have to press next, and after that it will ask you for the password of your Gmail account. So you can set up the password. You can type the password. Then you have to press next. So in this way the Google account opens up in front of you. Now you can see the Gmail account here. This is the Gmail account. So we have successfully signed in our Gmail account. So next one is downloading an attachment. How you can download a attachment from the Gmail. Attachment means any file which is attached to your Gmail or email. Open an email that has an attachment. सबसे पहले हमें उस email को खोलना है जिसमें attachment है या जिसमें file है. Place the pointer over the thumbnail. Click on the download icon. It will directly download the attachment. The file automatically saves in the download folder. इसका यूज कहाँ पे है? सपोज कि आपको आपके फ्रेंड को एक MS डॉक की फाइल आपको भेजनी है. यू वांट टू सेंड अ डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल टू योर फ्रेंड. आपको अपने फ्रेंड को एक फाइल भेजनी है. आप कैसे भेजेंगे? तो आपको उस फाइल को अपने ईमेल में अटैच करके भेजना होगा. जब ईमेल आपके फ्रेंड के पास पहुंचेगा, देन योर फ्रेंड विल ऑटोमेटिकली डाउनलोड इट and save in his or her computer. Now we will download the file from an email. Here you can see a mail. We will click on it, and the mail which contains the attachment or a file will look like this. This is the file, and we will go to the download button and click on it. Then it will ask to save our file, and we have to click OK. Now the file has been downloaded and saved in the downloads folder. You can see here this file. This file has been downloaded and it is kept in the download folder. So in this way we can download an attachment from the email. नेक्स्ट वन इज एडिंग सिग्नेचर टू अ मेल. जैसे कि आपने कभी एप्लीकेशन लिखी होगी या कोई लेटर लिखा होगा. इन द एंड ऑफ द लेटर और एन एप्लीकेशन वी राइट द नेम, क्लास एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स. सो सेम इन ईमेल. ईमेल में भी ऐसा होगा. हम किसी को अगर ईमेल भेजते हैं और हमको कुछ सेम चीज़ें लिखनी हैं उस ईमेल के नीचे, लाइक आवर नेम और डेजिनेशन, आवर कंपनी नेम एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, तो हमको एडिंग अ सिग्नेचर उसमें यूज करना होगा. When we write an application, we always add our name, roll number and class at the end of the letter, which makes the receiver know the details of the sender. इससे इस सिग्नेचर को यूज करने से ये पता लगेगा कि किसने ये लेटर या किसने ये ईमेल भेजा है. जस्ट लाइक दैट वी when we write an email, we can add our name, contact details at the end of the message. मैसेज के एंड पे ही ये सिग्नेचर दिया जाएगा. But instead of doing it manually each time, we can use the signature feature. लेकिन बार बार नाम लिखने में हमें प्रॉब्लम है तो हम ये सिग्नेचर भी यूज कर सकते हैं. इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली ऐड ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन. जो सभी चीजें होंगी वो एक साथ ऐड हो जाएंगी. सो वी विल प्रैक्टिकली डू हाउ टू add a signature. Now first of all we will learn how to send an email. किसी को भी ईमेल कैसे भेजेंगे. सबसे पहले आपको the left side you can see the compose button. Here you have to click. As soon as you click here, a window appears here. ये विंडो खुल जाएगी. अब इसमें सबसे पहले आपको किसको ईमेल भेजना है उसका नाम आएगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन राइट लाइक abc@xyz.com. सपोज ये किसी का ईमेल आईडी है, उसको हम भेजना है. सब्जेक्ट क्या है. सब्जेक्ट हम कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. This is the space where we have to write the name of the subject of our email. My first email is my subject. Now you can write here what is the content of the mail. You can write like this. Now this mail has been created and you have to press the send button to forward this mail. As soon as I have sent, the message has been sent. This is how we can send a message or an email to our friend. Now we are going to study what is the use of signature. So first of all you have to click on the settings, and on this setting you have to go on the see all settings. So now all the settings of your email has been open, and in this setting you have to go to the signature option. You can find here the signature option. In this signature option there is no signature has been created. Now you have to create a new. So I have created a new one. So I have given the form short. The name of the signature is short. I have taken and I have created, and in this signature I will write whatever I want to write at the bottom of the email. I have taken the my name, school name and Alwar as the signature. So in the last you have to click on the save changes. So now a signature with the name short has been created, and if we are going to mail again to any person, so we can mail it with the help of signature, and we can give the name with the just short signature name. So in this way we are going to use the signature. And now our next topic is adding a new contact. But let's send another mail. अभी हमने जो सिग्नेचर बनाया है उसकी हेल्प से हम एक बार फिर से मेल यूज में लेते हैं. You can see the compose button here to send the mail to, again we are sending to abc@pqr.com. okay, this is the our friend email id, and now we are putting the subject. Okay, so now we have written our body of the email, and now in the last we want to add my name and all the things. So now अभी जो हमने short नाम का signature बनाया है वो हम यहाँ पे use में लेंगे. So you can see the icon here, insert signature. जैसे ये you can see here the short is provided. As soon as I click on this short, the whole thing of the signature appears here. So in this way we are going to use the signature option. So now we are going to study the next topic, adding a new contact. Contact को हम कैसे add करेंगे Gmail में. To add a new contact in your Gmail account, follow these steps. On the top right corner, click on the Google Apps icon, scroll down and select the contacts option in the drop down menu. A new window named Google Contacts open on a separate tab. Now we can add, you can see here 9 dots. You have to click on this, then this window, this pane will open, and in this you have to click on contacts. जैसे ही हम contact पर click करेंगे, a window appears in front of us, and here you can see a button create contact. Click on it, create a contact. So now we can enter all the information about the contact. Let's enter. After entering all the information, we will click the save button. So now a contact with name Shubham Yadav has been added. So in this form, in this manner, you can add multiple contacts. So now the next topic is group. The group feature allows you to club and store similar type of contact at one place. Suppose कि हमारे contacts में बहुत से जो contacts हैं वो teachers हैं, so we can create a club or create a group of that contact as teachers. Suppose some our friends are our school friends, our class friends, so we can create a group named class friends. So in the same way, we can create different groups. This helps you to share a common message with multiple people belonging to similar category instantly. In the latest Gmail contacts window, the group feature is renamed as labels. जो latest version है उसमें groups नाम को अब labels किया गया है. Yeah, the name group has been changed to labels. To create a group of contacts, follow these steps. Open the contacts window. On the left pane, select the Create Label option from the Labels drop-down arrow. The Create Label dialog box appears. Enter the name for the new group, example classmates. अब हम एक ग्रुप बनाएंगे या लेबल बनाएंगे जिसका नाम क्या होगा, classmates. Click on Save. So let's create a label. First of all, we have to go again on the contact. Now on the contact you can see a label button here, so you have to click on this label. As soon as you click on the label, you can see a list of different contacts. So as you click on labels, a option comes create label. You have to click on this and then you can write the name of your label. I have created a label named classmates and I have clicked on save. So now you can see the classmates label is appearing here. And the next and the last thing is we have to add contact in a label or a group. To add contacts in a group, follow these steps. Click on the contacts option on the left pane. Place the pointer over the contact that you wish to add in the teachers group and select the checkbox. You have to select the checkbox. Click on the manage label buttons and select the teachers option in the drop down menu. अब हम जो हमने ग्रुप बनाया है उसमें हमें किसी फ्रेंड को, जो क्लासमेट हमने लेबल बनाया है उसमें हमें किसी को ऐड करना हो तो कैसे होगा, we will see now. First of all, we have to click on the contacts. Here the list of contact will come. Ab now we have to check, you can see the checkbox here. We have to check how many friends we want in a classmate label. Suppose I have selected Mohan and Shubham in. Now we have to click on this manage labels and then we have to put a label of classmates on this and then click apply. So these two contacts have been came under the label of classmates. So this is how we are going to use the label. Now our next topic is real-time communication. Real-time communication means the communication that is instant. Suppose we are talking with on a video call or we are talking on an audio call on, suppose let's take example of WhatsApp. So that communication is the real-time communication. Real-time communication refers to the telecommunication that occurs almost instantly without any transmission delay. So it is the communication which occurs without any transmission delay. कोई भी transmission में delay नहीं होगा. जैसे आपने यहाँ बोला वैसे ही the other person has listened it. RTC means real-time communication, includes exchange of text, voice, video and multimedia content. It allows you to make audio and video calls using voice over internet protocol. इस प्रोटोकॉल की हेल्प से हम ऑडियो और वीडियो कॉल कर पाते हैं. उस प्रोटोकॉल का नाम क्या है, वॉइस ओवर इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल और VoIP. The most popular example of instant messaging and video calling are Google Hangouts, Skype and Google Duo. और भी बहुत से हैं, but these are the main example of instant messaging and video calling. WhatsApp is also an example of instant messaging and video calling. Google Hangouts, Skype, Google Duo. WhatsApp you all have used. I hope that you have all have made a video call and audio call. So just same like that, these are the things like Skype, Google Duo are also doing the same thing. So now I'm going to use the Skype account. Here you can see the icon of Skype. I will click here and you can see the window of Skype. Suppose this is the contact. Suppose I want to talk to my friend Dipesh, so I can use this video call, audio call option to have a video or audio chat. So in this way we are going to use different real-time communication apps like Skype, WhatsApp, etc. So this is the end of our chapter number 8, and in the next video we will start with the next new chapter. So till then, do take care of yourself. Thanks.